Hey Product Hunt fam, I'm Tim, co-founder and CEO of Trace, YCS25, and I'm thrilled to share our public launch. We previously built a cluster a Web3 analytics platform that grew to 100,000 plus users. What is Trace? Trace is a workflow automation platform that routes tasks to the right agent, human or AI. By connecting tools like at Slack, at Jira, and at Notion, at Trace breaks down existing workflows and assigns repetitive tasks to AI agents. We help coordinate tasks between agents and people without disrupting how your teams work. Why use Trace? Routine work like chasing updates, filling docs, and coordinating teams drains time and focus. With Trace, you can generate workflows from a single prompt and track project life cycles, break down tasks into steps, and assign the right agents for the job. Deploy agents for any task using templates or create your own. Run workflows automatically with real-time triggers and schedules. How it works? Trace integrates with your systems to analyze wikis, docs, chats, activity logs, and people data, building a unified index of your company's work. This provides rich context for every new workflow, making it easy to route tasks across people and AI agents. Hey Product Hunt. Current AI coding tools generate impressive demos, but somehow struggle with real software. We knew there had to be a way. Real software isn't just text. It's a living system of dependencies, historical decisions, and team conventions. An agent that can't see this structure can't be a true partner. So we built Qoder differently from the ground up. It sees the whole picture. Qoder combines vector search with a local code graph to map your project's true architecture. With context engineering enhanced for code bases, small or large, it understands how everything connects, just like a professional developer would. It pairs with you in real time. Direct Qoder through natural conversation. It executes across multiple files, shows you every change, and waits for your review. This iterative flow keeps you in control while accelerating execution. True pair programming where you lead, Qoder builds. You focus on the what, it handles the how. With Quest Mode, you can collaborate with the agent on writing specs in natural language, then delegate to the agent to execute autonomously. Qoder plans, executes, and delivers verified code while you focus on the next big problem. This all comes together in an IDE designed for real software development. We're launching with 2,000 free credits during preview. First come, first served, then waitlist. And would be thrilled to get your feedback on how we can help developers think deeper, build better in the AI era. Hey Product Hunt. I've spent over a decade watching the same painful cycle. Designers hand off perfect design files. Developers rebuild everything from scratch. And what ships looks just barely like what the designer had dreamed up. Everything was being built twice. And when you're trying to ship fast, the entire product experience starts to slip away into close enough territory. That's why I teamed up with Flykiat to build Onlook. We're giving designers code superpowers and developers design superpowers. Everyone stays in their comfort zone, working with the same code base to produce production-ready work. Here's how it fits into your workflow. Traditional workflow. Designer creates mockup in a design tool. Not real. PM uses clickable prototype for demos. Not real. Developer rebuilds everything from scratch. Finally real, but not exact. Endless back and forth because implementation is not equal to design compromises and close enough solutions and an okay product experience. Onlook workflow. Designer/PM builds directly in Onlook, immediately real and infinitely creative. Prototype IS code and ultra high fidelity. With all of the interactions and states you'd expect, developer gets clean, working code, no extra translation needed. It's been over a year since we started building this version of Onlook, and we're so grateful for the over 100 open source contributors who have helped craft this new visual editor for code. As a thank you for our launch, exclusive for Product Hunt, 20% off first 6 months with code I hate handoffs, first 100 hunters only. Thank you for your support, and we can't wait to see what designers and developers create together with Onlook. Hey Product Hunt, I'm Sinway, co-founder of TraceRoot.AI. Started TraceRoot after facing the same problem again and again. Fixing production bugs is slow, painful, and scattered across too many tools. Engineers jump between logs, traces, GitHub, Slack, and dashboards just to piece together what happened. TraceRoot is an open-source debugging platform with AI agents that actually do the work. They pull together logs, traces, code, and related context into one place, explain the problem, and link every insight back to the original data so you can trust it. The agent can even draft fixes or open pull requests for common issues. You stay in control. It just handles the grunt work. Unlike other tools, we organize all your telemetry data in a centralized platform optimized for debugging experience. Connect to all your engineering contexts and use context engineering optimization to improve the agent performance and directly create GitHub PR and issues from our tool. Keeps track of all your past bug fixes for future reference. Would love your feedback. You can register at TraceRoot.AI and integrate TraceRoot with your system by using our SDK. Check out our GitHub for self-hosting option. Thanks for taking a look. Sinway. Here's another banger by the @Haydenbleasel, the maker of NextForge and Revyu.AI. Introducing AI Elements. Beautifully crafted React components for the AI SDK. Open source and built on at Shadcon/UI. They're easy to integrate and fully customizable. Read the changelog, view the source code for all components on GitHub $NPXAI elements. Hello, PH community. What if I told you we accidentally discovered how to make work feel like a vacation? We're Rahul, Deepak, Darshan, and Rajat, 4 founders behind Tab with a View. What if every time you opened a new tab, you got a 3-second vacation, that boring blank page? We replaced it with stunning destinations from around the world. One tab equals Northern Lights in Iceland. Next tab equals cherry blossoms in Japan. Magic, tab after tab. But wait, there's more AI assistants at your fingertips. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. Live flight prices for the destination you're viewing. Local weather plus travel insights. Focus Pomodoro timer for when Wanderlust needs to wait the result. Lonely Planet, CNN, and Travel plus Leisure loved it. More importantly, our users say opening tabs actually makes them happy now. We're 4 friends obsessed with beautiful imagery and how it transforms your daily browsing mood. Your feedback could shape where we go next. Try it, roast it, or tell us what's missing. What would make your perfect new tab page? With Revyu.co/ext, right bracket p.s. Digital nomads, this one's especially for you. Hey all, looking forward to what you think of our new indie iPhone app. If you're a remote working couch potato like me, you've probably thought about making daily walks a healthy new habit in your life. I hope this makes that goal a bit addictively fun. It helped me walk 250 miles lately working on the app and crossed all of Switzerland. Looking forward to see how many steps our launch users will collectively clock in the first month. Hi everyone, Adam here, co-founder of Receptionist. We built Connect because we believe communication is a basic human right. Too many people with limited mobility or speech impairment struggle to express themselves, and existing solutions are often slow, expensive, or inaccessible. That we built Connect to help people with limited mobility communicate using only a webcam and their eyes. No special hardware required. Just look, type, and express yourself independently. An additional feature. Connect can also clone a user's voice from a short recording, so messages are spoken in their own voice. But that's completely optional. That we've worked hard to make it fast, accurate, and reliable. But this is just the beginning. I'd love your feedback. What do you think about the use cases? Do you know someone or an organization we should talk to who could benefit from this? Any ideas for features that would make Connect even more impactful? Thank you for checking us out. It really means a lot. Hi everyone. Qoder has just open sourced their new reasoning model, Command A Reasoning. That it's a powerful model designed for private enterprise deployment. Users can control the token budget to switch between instant responses and deep reasoning with a single deployment. A very practical approach for managing GPU costs. One thing I really like is that its thinking process isn't hidden or abstracted away. The chain of thought is very detailed, which is great for enterprise apps that need auditable reasoning. You can try it out on the Qoder Playground and HF Spaces. Hey everyone, I'm the creator of Sprout Track. I built this because I was frustrated with existing baby tracking apps. They were either loaded with ads, had basic features locked behind paywalls, or constantly tried to upsell me on products I didn't need. When our son was born, we needed something simple that his grandparents could actually use to help with care. Most apps required everyone to download something or create accounts, which was a non-starter for our 70-year-old parents. We also had a nanny access the app, but after that didn't work out, I was able to quickly disable their account. The grandparents thought the app was super easy to use. They loved that they didn't need another app on their phone, and they could follow along with his morning routine before we even dropped him off for work. When building the app, I wanted three things. Easy communication. What happened during the day without playing phone tag? Simple pediatrician visits. Answer, how often does he eat or poop? Without scrolling through charts and graphs. Quick logging. Add entries from any device in seconds. Cross-family care for our son was paramount, and family communication improved dramatically. Grandparents could jump in and help without any tech barriers. And our pediatrician visits became so much smoother. I could instantly answer every question they asked, and I kept it web-based so it works on any device. Added simple ID/PIN sharing so no one needs accounts, and focused on the core features that actually matter for new parents. Would love to hear your thoughts and feedback. I know not everyone will like that it isn't a phone app, and that's fine. During the beta period, anyone who signs up can use the app completely free, forever. No ads, no spam, unlimited caretakers and kids. You can see a demo of it here. https://www.sprout-track.com/demo. It resets hourly.id 01 pin 111111. Hey hunters, we are super excited and a little nervous to share the very first release of Revyu.AI. Like many of you, we have spent countless hours scrolling through hotel listings, opening dozens of tabs, and reading endless reviews, only to feel less certain about our choice than when we started. We thought, what if AI could do the heavy lifting for us? Get Revyu.AI for your Chrome here. https://bit.ly/4mych3e. That's how Revyu was born. What Revyu does right now. AI-powered hotel search. Describe your trip, where, when, who you're traveling with, plus what really matters to you. Fast Wi-Fi, quiet rooms, family-friendly, next to the metro, free parking, ocean view. Revyu reads real reviews and hotel info, then shows you the top 5 hotels that best match your needs. Smart review summaries. See the big picture without scrolling through 200+ reviews. AI chat. Ask anything. Curious about cleanliness, Wi-Fi quality, breakfast variety, or room comfort? Just ask. Revyu answers using real guest reviews. Room comparison. Found a hotel that you like, but not sure which room to book? Just go to the Room Comparison tab, and you will see all the insights regarding every room type that the hotel offers. All of this happens right on Booking.com. No extra tabs, no switching around. Why this launch matters. This is our first public release, and hotels are just the beginning. That we're building Revyu as a universal AI review companion. So in the future, you will be able to use it not just for hotels, but also for shopping, restaurants, experiences, and beyond. What's next on the roadmap? Expanding from Booking.com to other platforms. Cross-platform search and analysis. You will search a hotel with a simple text, and we will find you the best match at the cheapest price. Expanding to other verticals. Shopping. You will be shopping on Amazon.com without the hassle of trying to find what interests you about that product from thousands of reviews. You will just ask, and we will tell you. Adding personalization so Revyu learns what you care about most and completely automate your search process. Mobile support for planning on the go. How you can help. We'd love your honest feedback. What's the #1 pain point for you when booking hotels? If you could ask any question before booking, what would it be? Which category would you like to see Revyu support next? Shopping, restaurants, everything on Google Maps. We hope Revyu saves you time, stress, and maybe even a bad night's sleep. Excited to hear your thoughts and ideas. Thanks for welcoming us to the PH community. We are honored to be back on Product Hunt after some years of absence from day one. MentorCruise has been about one thing: connecting you with real experts who can help you grow faster, with honest advice, accountability, and no fluff. Today, we are launching our new brand to reflect that mission. It's sharper, more professional, and built to highlight what makes MentorCruise unique. Trusted mentors, real career wins, and a community that's here for your long-term growth. If you're new here, now's the perfect time to explore. You can browse mentors across tech, product, and business, book a call, or start ongoing mentorship that keeps you moving forward. It's amazing to see how far AI has come. An AI receptionist that sounds human-like and can handle lead nurturing is a massive leap forward. This will free up so much time for our team to focus on core business tasks. We built this because QA has always been a drag on velocity. At Mong, I saw how much time and headcount went into maintaining brittle test suites that break every time the UI shifts. Teams either slow down or accept gaps. AI user flips that. It takes a prompt, turns it into a test, and self-heals when the UI changes. What I'm proud of here, you can actually put QA on autopilot without trading off reliability. It's one less thing your engineers have to worry about. Most products in this space promise autonomous QA, but break as soon as the agent gets confused. We built with that reality in mind. AI user has human-in-loop controls baked in, so when the agent struggles, a person can step in and guide it. That way, reliability stays high and teams can actually trust the results. Hey everyone, super excited to be back here for a second launch. We have improved our product a lot since the last time. Promptmonitor is an AI search optimization / generative engine optimization (GEO) tool that helps you track and improve your brand visibility in AI like ChatGPT. Free to G, if you had an email newsletter product and someone asks ChatGPT, what's the best email newsletter platform? Does your product show up or not? That's what we help you track, and if it does not, then you get the sources to make it appear on the answer. What's new? 1. Affordable pricing. We heard you. All the AI search optimization / GEO tools in the market is quite expensive. Our new starter plan is only $29 per MO with 10-day free trial. Point 2. Website plus AI crawler analytics. Not just tracking AI mentions anymore. Now you can see both human visitors and when AI bots are crawling your site in real time. You can literally see AI like ChatGPT browsing, indexing, or training their dataset from your website. Point 3. Team collaboration. Multiple seats for you to collaborate with your team. Point 4. Everything's faster. Complete UI / UX overhaul. The web app is a lot faster and way less bug than the MVP that we got 10 days of free trial, so you can give it a try for free. We also have a live demo if you just want to look around. I would love to hear your feedback. Octayne PSA is a user-friendly time tracking and invoicing platform built specifically for consultants. It's intuitive, requires no setup or onboarding, and brings time tracking, expense management, and invoice generation into a single, streamlined system, making it easier to stay organized across multiple projects. The platform leverages AI to make time entry faster and more accurate, using calendar data to help log meetings with minimal effort. This saves valuable time, especially when managing a packed schedule. Invoices are automatically generated, clean, and client-ready, eliminating the need to manually compile data from multiple sources. For consulting and professional services teams looking for a lightweight, efficient solution to manage time and billing, Octayne offers a smart, practical alternative to traditional PSA tools. Hey Product Hunt. I'm Dominic, the founder of timeletter. The idea came to me because I often had thoughts and feelings I didn't want to share in the moment, but in the future. Maybe you know that feeling too. A goal you set, a dream you don't want to forget, or just a moment you want to preserve. With timeletter, you can do exactly that. Write today, open in the future. You set the delivery date and decide if the letter is just for you or to be shared with friends. We focused on privacy and simplicity. Your letters are encrypted and stay private. You can also connect timeletter with Quiet Ask to capture your questions and thoughts seamlessly. I'd love to hear your feedback. What do you think about the idea of sending a message to your future self? Thanks for stopping by and happy hunting, Dominic. Hey Product Hunt. After years of working in crypto fintech, I noticed a problem in the industry that needs solving. Every institution is building the same UI functionality and trading components from scratch: order books, data tables, charting solutions, customizable layouts, theme functionality. Over and over again, talented engineers teams are spending months building what their competitors have already built or things they had already built in previous employments. Meanwhile, traders are waiting for the tools they need to execute their strategies. That's why I built Hedge.UI. Includes advanced customizable layouts. Let traders configure their own workspace. Core trading components like order books, data tables, and charting solutions. Dark/light theme support. Live example Binance integration. Modern React plus TypeScript stack. The goal is simple. Let teams focus on their data and business logic instead of rebuilding UI foundations. One-time purchase, lifetime updates, no recurring SaaS fees. Perfect for exchanges, brokers, prop trading firms, or anyone launching a trading platform. Would love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions about building trading UIs. Hello, Product Hunt community. I hope you all are fine and feeling good. I am Nicola, co-founder with Nicolo at Preprocess. https://preprocess.co and Pigro. https://pigro.ai. Thanks to our ventures, we gained experience in the field and decided to create an open-source RAG document viewer. Thanks to our solution, you can render the original file inside your product, whatever PDF, DOCX, PPTX, XLSX it is. Moreover, the solution highlights exactly the passages your LLM retrieved. No more guessing where the answer came from. If users can't see the exact evidence behind an LLM answer, they won't trust it. With RAG Document Viewer, you can now provide the authentic visual context. Our viewer is ideal for RAG developers, and it is open source. Key features: 1. Multi-format. Renders PDFs and Office docs natively with a headless conversion pipeline under the hood. Your users always see the original page layout. 2. Precise highlights. Pass chunks from your RAG pipeline, and the viewer will auto-scroll and spotlight the evidence. The highlight logic is completely in your hands, from chunks to pages, with no fragile text search. 3. Embed in seconds. Generate a self-contained HTML bundle to be embedded into an iframe. Works in React, Vue, Django, Flask, Fast API, anywhere a browser lives. 4. Lightweight and secure, no external servers. The viewer runs fully in the browser and serves files from your backend with your access permission logic. Less boilerplate, more product. Add trustworthy document evidence to your RAG app in a few lines of code. We're committed to continuous improvement and would love to hear your thoughts on this product and Preprocess. Please share your experiences and suggestions to help us serve you better. Hey Product Hunt, we're Bilal and Sadiq, the makers of Brenny. We built Brenny because we were frustrated with how boring and overwhelming online learning can feel. You either get endless YouTube rabbit holes, static courses that take forever to finish, or apps that only cover one subject. We asked ourselves, what if learning felt as fun and addictive as playing a game? That's how Brenny was born. Learn anything, not just languages, in bite-sized, swipeable lessons, game-like experience with XP, streaks, and leaderboards. Quick, 5-minute lessons you can do anywhere, anytime. Fresh knowledge powered by real, up-to-date internet sources. Think of it like Duolingo, but for everything. Whether you're curious about AI, history, startups, or just random late-night questions, Brenny makes it fun to dive in and actually remember what you learn. We're super excited to share this with the PH community because we know you're lifelong learners too. We'd love your feedback. What would you like Brenny to teach you first? Thanks for checking us out and happy learning, Bilal and Sadiq.